Now let us understand the concept of mass and weight. To understand this, let us consider an example. So here we have a piece of rock with us, and we know that everything in this world is made up of matter. Similarly, this rock is also made up of matter. How much matter is present in this rock is called as its mass. So what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter present in an object. Now we'll consider the same example and understand weight. Now we know that Earth will actually exert a force on this object, and it will act in the downward direction. Now due to this force on this object will move in the downward direction. That means there is gravitational force of attraction between these two objects. But simply understand this. The Earth attracted the object with certain amount of force, and that force has a different name to it, and that different name is nothing but weight. That means the gravitational force is nothing but the weight, and weight is nothing but the gravitational force. Simply understand this. Force is nothing but the weight, and weight is nothing but the force. But this force cannot be any force. It is only the gravitational force. So let us write down the definition of mass and weight. So what is mass? Mass is nothing but the amount of matter present in the object, and weight is the force with which the Earth attracts the object. Now to understand the second point, what we'll do is, let me wear my suit and then I'll explain the second point. Hi. So right now you can see that I am on Earth. Let us check my mass and weight. So here you can see that my mass is actually equal to 100 kg and my weight over here is 980 Newton. Let me go to that other planet and check my mass and weight. Oh. So here you can see that my mass is actually showing the same, that is 100 kg. But if you look at my weight is showing as 2600 Newton. Now here, the gravitational force of this planet is different than the Earth. That means my weight would also be different. So you just saw that my mass on both the planets was same, but weight was different. Which brings us to the second point, that is mass does not change with place, but weight changes with place. In the third point, we'll be writing the units. So the SI unit of mass is kg and the CGS unit is gram. Similarly, the SI unit of weight is Newton and the CGS unit is dyne.